好，又翻返嚟 Brain B 嘅 channel 啦。咁我哋上一次咧就講咗一個 gustatory system 啦。咁 gustatory system 你見到，咦？點解冇個 question bank 嘅？咁因為 gustatory system 同 olfactory system 都好短，所以我就將個 question bank 放埋一齊啦。個 question bank 其實都唔係好多題咧，都淨係得6題啫。因為呢兩個 system 真係唔特別多嘢值得講嘅，係啦。咁我哋都嚟睇下 olfactory system 係點樣行啦嚇。咁咧，我哋先嚟睇下我哋個鼻嘅結構啦。咁我哋咧基本上如果要講係同 olfactory 有關係嘅話咧，或者嗅覺有關係咧，就係我哋嘅上面嘅鼻腔一個 upper nasal cavity。咁喺 upper nasal cavity 咧，你會見到有一個 specialized olfactory mucosa 嘅。呢個 specialized olfactory mucosa 咧，佢有一啲 dendrites of 啲 olfactory 嘅 bipolar neurons。咁呢個 olfactory mucosa 係一個 membrane 嚟啦。咁呢個我哋叫做 mucosa membrane 啦，一種 lining of 啲 epithelium 嚟嘅，我哋叫 mucosa。咁係有個 dendrites of olfactory bipolar neurons 咁。咁你見到啦，有啲 olfactory of bipolar neurons 咧，然後呢啲 dendrites 咧，佢有好多 cilia 啦，咁就去 detect 咧一啲唔同嘅一啲odorant chemical 咁樣啦。咁呢啲 axons of olfactory bipolar neurons 就 pass through a cribriform plate。cribriform plate 咧其實係一塊骨喺度啦，咁就喺個nasal cavity 上邊嘅 cribriform plate as bundles called olfactory nerve。所以咧，你唯一要特別留意就係我哋嘅 olfactory nerve 咧，唔係一個 single nerve 嚟嘅，佢係有嗱呢度一個 nerve 啦，第二個 bundle 啦，第三個 bundle 啦，第四個 bundle 啦，第五個 bundle 啦，如此類推嘅。所以 olfactory nerve 係 a collective of bundles of nerves。OK， 咁佢點咧？我哋啲 odorant 啦，或者係啲我哋例平時我哋聞到嘅唔同味道咧，都係因為呢啲味道有啲對應嘅 chemical 嘅。咁呢啲 chemical 咧就佢會例如vaporize 啦，就會氣化咗啦，喺我哋嘅空氣入邊咧，就入到個鼻入邊。咁佢就 enter the upper nasal cavity through 個 nostril 個鼻孔啦，就 binds to receptors，leading to activation of G protein。咁所以呢啲 receptors 咧，當然啦，都係一個 metabotropic 㗎啦。metabotropic 嘅 receptors 就 activate 啲 G protein， 然後啲 G protein 就令到有好多 biochemical cascades 啊，就 leads to 咩啊？就可以有 influx of Na 啊 ，Ca2+ 啊 ，efflux of Cl 減。咁其實你見到啦，都係有 cation ion，所以都係 depolarized。咁既然係 depolarized 咧，就會 generate action potentials 啊。跟住然後咧，呢啲 axons of bipolar cells 咧就 synapse onto mitral and tufted cells in 呢個 olfactory bulbs。olfactory bulbs 你見到啦 ，olfactory bulbs 咧就係一個 cribriform plate 上邊嘅 ，OK？ 你見到 olfactory bulbs 啊？咁你唯一記住就係咩 olfactory bulb 咧係可以有 neurogenesis 嘅，佢係有 stem cell 㗎。如果你 recall 翻 chapter 1啲嘢啊嚇，咁你見到啦，佢啲咁樣嘅axons of olfactory 啲 receptor 或者 bipolar cells 就 synapse onto 呢啲 mitral cells 啊，或者呢啲tufted cells 係啦。mitral cells 呢個就 tufted cells 啊 ，OK。佢度冇 label tufted cells 啊，tufted cells。然後呢啲 mitral cells 同 tufted cells 就會 send axons 啊，就會沿住咧呢度咁樣走啦。咁所以咧，呢啲咁嘅 axons 就由呢個 olfactory bulb 傳入嚟咁樣，佢咧就會 project 去唔同地方嘅，就 through 呢個 olfactory tract。我哋有 lateral 啦，同埋 medial 嘅 lateral olfactory tract 咧就去到 piriform cortex 啦。咁 piriform cortex 咧基本上咧就會係你見到嘅依啲地方啦。咁你見到佢喺 amygdala 嘅前邊啦 ，anterior to amygdala 啦。咁又叫做 primary olfactory cortex、piriform cortex。另外一個串法咧就叫做係用 Y 串啦，所以有唔同嘅串法啦，係啦。咁所以你可能見到佢唔一定用呢個寫法，可能用呢個寫法都唔定。跟住然後呢啲咁嘅 signal 啦，去完 piriform cortex 之後咧，佢可以再去 amygdala 啦或者 hippocampus 咁，去 for 好多唔同嘅嘢嘅。咁呢啲 hippocampus for 咩啊？梗係 for memory 嘅 formation 啦。呢啲 amygdala 嘅咁一定同 emotion 有關啦，例如聞到陣味好香，你個人好開心咁，可能係因為佢咧去完 piriform cortex 之後咧就 excites my amygdala 啦。至於 medial olfactory tract 咁樣咧，佢就會去 contralateral 嘅 olfactory cortex 啦 ，which is piriform cortex 啦。 就 via anterior commissure 啦。咁你就自己 recall 翻咧 chapter one anterior commissure 喺邊咧，係用嚟做啲咩嘅咧？咁或者可以去其他 basal forebrain 嘅 structures 啦。咁係啦，咁都係做好多唔同嘅嘢嚟㗎啦。咁咧佢 for example 啦，嗱佢可以去 hypothalamus 嘅，去 control 啲 endocrine function。最簡單嘅例子就係例如我哋呢叫 pheromone 啦。咁 pheromone 就係我哋一啲pheromone 就係點講咧？例如你聞到呢啲 pheromone 嘅時候咧，你會覺得啊好熟悉嘅呢種嘅味道咁。例如可能呢種嘅 pheromone 可能會挑起你嘅性慾啊，等等呢啲咁嘅 chemical 啊，或者係例如你同佢好熟啊，咁你可能會好習慣佢嘅 pheromone，咁你聞到個 pheromone 覺得啊好有安全感咁。咁例如咧，你聞到 pheromone 可能挑起性慾呢啲咧，咁其實係因為佢可能 excite my hypothalamus 就 control endocrine function，咁個 hypothalamus 就可能會release 一啲 sexual hormones 出嚟啦，咁啊有唔同嘅反應咁樣，係咯。咁基本上咧個 olfactory 成個 olfactory pathway 就係咁啫，好直接嘅，好簡單嘅，就係首先由 receptors。去到 tufted mitral 咧就北去 piriform cortex， 或者去呢個另一邊嘅 piriform cortex， 透過 lateral 同 medial 嘅 olfactory tract。咁咧 for 呢個 chapter 咧可以睇下 brain facts 嘅 chapter 2啦。咁 neuroscience 又係冇 cover，neuroscience science of the brain 嗰本書又係冇 cover 嘅，係啦。咁呢課都係好短嘅，見到好短嘅，同 gustatory 都差唔多，都頂多都係可能問一題咁啦，係啲好 general 嘅嘢嚟嘅，係啦。咁記住啦 olfactory bulb 係有 neurogenesis 嘅，同埋 olfactory nerve 唔係一個 single nerve 嚟嘅，係啦，咁就 that's it 啦，咁就係啦，大家繼續加油去讀 Brain B 啦，咁啊 enjoy the science of brain，咁就 see you guys very soon，拜拜。